Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GK for GC. Here today we will discuss general knowledge GK questions. Instruction: please watch the video till in without skipping it, and a request: if you find my channel interesting, useful and informative, please like, share, subscribe it and support us. So let's start today's GK questions discussion. These questions are from discoveries and inventions. Question number 1. Electron was first discovered in the year 1897 by option 1 T.A. Edison, option 2 Nikola Tesla, option 3 J.J. Thomson, option 4 Isaac Newton. The answer is option 3 J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897 through cathode ray experiment proving the existence of negatively charged subatomic particles. Question number 2. Who invented the atomic battery in 1912? Option 1 Alessandro Volta, option 2 Henry Moseley, option 3 Benjamin Franklin, option 4 Louis Pasteur. The answer is option 2 Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley made significant contributions to atomic theory and is credited with early research leading to the atomic battery concept. Question number 3. Who among the following coined the term battery to describe linked capacitors? Option 1 Benjamin Franklin, option 2 Luigi Galvani, option 3 John Frederick Daniel, option 4 Louis Lewis Urey. The answer is option 1 Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin first used the term battery in 1749 to describe a set of linked capacitors used in his electrical experiments. Question number 4. Who among the following scientists invented Kevlar? Option 1 Mary Anderson, option 2 George Eastman, option 3 Stephanie Louis Kovalek, option 4 Steve Wozniak. The answer is option 3 Stephanie Louis Kovalek. Kevlar, a high-strength synthetic fiber, was invented by Stephanie Kovalek in 1965 while working at DuPont. Question number 5. Who found an empirical relationship between the half-life of alpha decay and the energy of the emitted alpha particles in 1911? Option 1 Fermi and Meitner, option 2 Geiger and Nuttall, option 3 Chadwick and Lawrence, option 4 Soddy and Ashton. The answer is option 2 Geiger and Nuttall. Geiger and Nuttall formulated the Geiger-Nuttall law, which relates the decay constant of alpha emitting isotopes to the energy of emitted particles. Question number 6. In 1845, which German chemist published a method for the synthesis of acetic acid? Option 1 Friedrich Wöhler, option 2 Marcelin Berthelot, option 3 Joseph Gay-Lussac, option 4 Hermann Kolbe. The answer is option 4 Hermann Kolbe. Hermann Kolbe synthesized acetic acid, proving that organic compounds could be artificially produced. Question number 7. Botanical Survey of India discovered a new parasitic flowering plant, Gliadovia coniacianorum, named in honor of which community? Option 1 Toda, option 2 Kado, option 3 Nagas, option 4 Tobu. The answer is option 3 Nagas. The plant was named after the Konyak tribe of Nagaland in recognition of their cultural and ecological significance. Question number 8. Humankind's oldest mammal ancestor, Turritopterum nevani, was discovered in option 1 West Indies, option 2 India, option 3 United Kingdom, option 4 China. The answer is option 3 United Kingdom. Fossils of Turritopterum nevani were found in the UK, providing insights into early mammalian evolution. Question number 9. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Option 1 lactometer, option 2 thermometer, option 3 sphygmomanometer, option 4 glucometer. The answer is option 3 sphygmomanometer. A sphygmomanometer is a medical device used to measure blood pressure in humans. Question number 10. Which of the following instruments is used for the visual examination of the eardrum? Option 1 phonograph, option 2 polygraph, option 3 otoscope, option 4 optometer. The answer is option 3 otoscope. An otoscope is a medical instrument used by doctors to inspect the ear canal and eardrum. Question number 11. Who discovered the circulation of blood? Option 1 William Harvey, option 2 Florence Rena Sabine, option 3 Ernest Henrik Weber, option 4 Van Leeuwenhoek. The answer is option 1 William Harvey. William Harvey discovered the circulatory system in 1628, explaining how blood is pumped by the heart. Question number 12. The study of ancient plants like mosses that grow in moist environments is called option 1 ethnobotany, option 2 bryology, option 3 palynology, option 4 dendrology. The answer is option 2 bryology. Bryology is the study of mosses, liverworts and hornworts. Question number 13. Chiropody is a branch of science related to which part of the body? Option 1 lungs, option 2 kidney, option 3 feet, option 4 liver. The answer is option 3 feet. Chiropody, also known as podiatry, is the study and treatment of foot related ailments. Question number 14. Who among the following scientists invented the cotton gin? Option 1 Sonny Perdue, option 2 Norman Borlaug, option 3 Eli Whitney, option 4 George Washington Carver. The answer is option 3 Eli Whitney. Eli Whitney invented a cotton gin in 1793, revolutionizing cotton processing. Question number 15. The scientific study of a cell is called option 1 taxonomy, option 2 physiology, option 3 histology, option 4 cytology. The answer is option 4 cytology. Cytology is the branch of biology that studies the structure and function of cells. Question number 16. Who discovered cells in the human body? Option 1 Charles Darwin, option 2 Robert Hooke, option 3 Herbert Spencer, option 4 Albert Einstein. The answer is option 2 Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered cells in 1665 while examining cork under a microscope. Question number 17. Christian Barnard is famous for option 1 performing the world's first human heart transplant, option 2 cloning the first mammal, option 3 first publishing tables of logarithms, option 4 delivering the world's first test tube baby. The answer is option 2 option 1 performing the world's first human heart transplant. Christian Barnard performed the first successful human heart transplant in 1967. Question number 18. The term used for breeding fish is specially constructed in specially constructed tanks and ponds is option 1 pisciculture, option 2 agriculture, option 3 viticulture, option 4 horticulture. The answer is option 1 pisciculture. The pisciculture refers to the breeding and farming of fish for commercial purposes. Question number 19. Viticulture refers to the option 1 breeding of fish, option 2 commercial rearing of silkworm, option 3 growing of vegetables, option 4 cultivation of grapes. The answer is option 4 cultivation of grapes. Viticulture is the study and practice of grape cultivation primarily for wine production. Question number 20. The scientific study of birds is called option 1 ornithology, option 2 pomology, option 3 Ichthyology. Option 4, gerontology. The answer is option 1, ornithology. Ornithology is the branch of zoology that studies birds. Question number 21. Which of the following techniques can be used to separate impurities in milk? Option 1, column chromatography. Option 2, microscopy. Option 3, microtomy. Option 4, autoclave. The answer is column chromatography. Option 1. Column chromatography is a technique used to separate components in a liquid such as impurities in milk. Question number 22. For what discovery was Jan Evangelista Perkins known in 1839? Option 1, proposed a lipid bilayer membrane. Option 2, discovered plasma membrane. Option 3, coined the term protoplasm. Option 4, discovered the nucleus. The answer is option 3, coined the term protoplasm. Jan Evangelista Perkins was a Czech anatomist and psychologist who coined the term protoplasm to describe the living substance inside cells. Question number 23. Mycology is the study of option 1, fossils, option 2, protozoa, option 3, fungi, option 4, lizards. The answer is option 3, fungi. Mycology is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of fungi, including their genetic and biochemical properties, taxonomy and applications. Question number 24. Which of the following is the study of insects and their relationship to humans, the environment and other organisms? Option 1, ornithology. Option 2, entomology. Option 3, ethology. Option 4, mycology. The answer is option 2, entomology. Entomology is the scientific study of insects, including their classification, behavior and impact on ecosystems and human society. Question number 25. Which explorer discovered a sea route to India in 1498? Option 1, Thomas Coryat. Option 2, Megasthenes. Option 3, Marco Polo. Option 4, Vasco da Gama. The answer is option 4, Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, was the first European to reach India by sea, arriving in Calicut in 1498, which opened direct trade between Europe and Asia. Question number 26. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument called option 1, seismograph. Option 3, Richter scale. Option 3, speedometer. Option 4, odometer. The answer is option 1, seismograph. A seismograph is an instrument used to measure and record details of earthquakes such as their force and duration. Question number 27. Who among the following is the founder of the field of psychoanalysis? Option 1, Carl Jung. Option 2, Erik Erikson. Option 3, Jean Piaget. Option 4, Sigmund Freud. The answer is option 4, Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud, an Australian neurologist, developed psychoanalysis, a clinical method for treating psychopathology through dialogue between a patient and a psychoanalyst. Question number 28. The techniques of making silk were first invented in China around how many years ago? Option 1, 7,000. Option 2, 3,000. Option 3, 9,000. Option 4, 5,000. The answer is option 1, 7,000. The production of silk known as sericulture began in China approximately 7,000 years ago and remained a closely guarded secret for centuries. Question number 29. Which of the following is a meteorological instrument consisting of a funnel-shaped collector attached to a measuring tube used to measure rainfall per unit area at a given time? Option 1, anemometer. Option 2, sling psychrometer. Option 3, standard rain gauge. Option 4, hygrometer? The answer is option 3, standard rain gauge. A rain gauge is an instrument used to collect and measure the amount of liquid precipitation over a set period of time. Question number 30. Question number 30. What is measured with the nephometer? Option 1, volume of rainfall. Option 2, cloud volume and speed. Option 3, salinity of sea. Option 4, all options are correct. The answer is option 2, cloud volume and speed. A nephometer is an instrument used to measure cloud cover, volume and speed to help in weather forecasting. Question number 31. Who among the following invented the World Wide Web in 1989? Option 1, Bill Gates. Option 2, Steve Wozniak. Option 3, Tim Berners-Lee. Option 4, Charles Babbage. The answer is option 3, Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web in 1989 while working at CERN, CERN. Question number 32. Who was famous for the invention of the vacuum pump in the 17th century and also pioneered the concept of the absolute vacuum of space? Option 1, John Cockcroft. Option 2, Otto von Guericke. Option 3, Enrico Fermi. Option 4, Valerianus Magnus. The answer is Otto von Guericke. Otto von Guericke was a German scientist known for inventing the vacuum pump and demonstrating the existence of a vacuum through the famous Magdeburg hemispheres experiment. Question number 13. Who coined the term pyramid of numbers that represents the total number of individuals present in trophic level? Option 1, Eugene Odom. Option 2, Ernest Haeckel. Option 3, Arthur Tansley. Option 4, Charles Elton. The answer is option 4, Charles Elton. Charles Elton, an English ecologist, introduced the concept of the pyramid of numbers to explain the distribution of organisms in a food chain. So thank you everyone. Like, share and subscribe GK for GC.